Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create sales projections with QuickBooks, full guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and log in to your account. Navigate to the Reports section found in the left-hand sidebar. In the Reports menu, select Custom Reports. Click on Create Custom Report to start building your sales projection. Choose Transaction Detail as your report type for granular data. Set your desired date range at the top of the screen. Select the filter option to narrow down your data. Choose transaction type and select sales to focus on sales data. Add additional filters like customer or product category if needed. Click Run Report to generate the initial sales data. Review the report to ensure all necessary data points are included. To refine your projections, click on Modify Report for customization options. In the Modify Report settings, go to the Columns section. Select relevant columns such as amount, date, and customer name. Adjust the sorting options to prioritize the data as once satisfied, click Save Custom Report to keep your settings for future use. To export your report, click on the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred format, such as Excel or PDF. Open the exported file to analyze the data further. Use this data to create sales projections by estimating future sales based on trends. Consider external factors like seasonality or market conditions in your projections. Finally, document your projections carefully for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.